And we're back. We have, oh, we did lose all of our money. We had like over 400 bucks. And since we moved on through the portal, I guess we lost it all. Oh well, we can live with that. So there's plenty more to come. Seems like this one already started out pretty hard. Do we have a break here? Oops. Awesome. Lunar coin. Start get exploring. This map looks pretty good. Visuals in this game are not bad. Graphics, pretty decent. Shrine of Blood. Let's go get and get some money. Probably not gonna do it again. It's getting a little hairy. See if we can see the portal from here. Dealing damage heals me. That's probably one of my favorites so far. Just sounds amazing. I like getting healed on damage. I like doing damage too. It's all very nice things. This guy's new. Did you drop a book? No, he didn't. I thought new characters dropped logs or whatever. Man, these things are fast and deadly. Oh, getting it in. Oh, that's not good for me. See if we can unlock a little bit more. Ooh, I do like the wings though. Sorry. Just trade in a bunch of that for this stuff. Okay, let's go ahead and call this guy in. It's getting a little dangerous here. Wait, wasn't it right in this area? Yep, right there. Music turned pretty epic and it went away. Beetle Queen, hello. You look like a Beetle Queen. Don't get me wrong, they have nice music and all, but... Oh, man. We're actually doing decent damage right now. More damage we do. I don't know if these things are spawning more stuff in or what. But they don't look nice. Come on. Nice. Portal's got a charge still. See if we can spot more goodies. Yep. I think that's just more gold though. Well, we know we got the map, 'cause the boss is already dead, so we can go forward to possibly... Oh, everything's locked until it's charged. Maybe I can't buy anymore because I already completed the map. Probably don't want to fall down there. Oh, cool. She dropped a whip. Did that stuff unlock? Yes, it did. This is actually not too hard. Ooh. Ooh. Getting them. They can't even touch me. Alright. I feel pretty good about that. Ooh. They're doing pretty decent damage right now. Chance to block incoming damage. There we go. I'm actually wearing the shield now? Cool. Bam. There we go, guys. We beat it. Thank you for joining. See you guys next time.